Second is the construction. First task to the forensic accountant was the first was to work with the bank's personnel to identify and seize the collateralized equipment pieces. Against the outstanding loan. The question arises, had the detailed records been destroyed, which is common in these cases to minimize the risk of being caught and prosecuted? Much of the detail regarding the contractor's actions may have never been discovered. Thanks for watching. For more cases like, subscribe and share the channel with colleagues. For more information, visit the website www.ifacts.org.